Hi everyone, welcome to our penhouse.in YouTube channel. Here the ultimate destination for pen enthusiasts, collector and anyone who appreciate the art of fine writing instruments. I am thrilled to have you here. Today we are going to see about our Penhouse brand new model pen. Before going to our video, kindly subscribe our penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that the upcoming video will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Today we are going to review our Penhouse brand new model pen. This is the pen. Yeah, it's our Penhouse brand new roller ball pen. Look at the body. Body is fully made up of metal. If you want to engrave your name on this barrel, you definitely do this. And see the finial. It has a flat surface finial on the both of the side. It is gold in color. And so the clip. See the clip. It has shaped as a arrow mark. And see the trim rings here, they are mentioned the golden trim rings there. And let's move on to the cap type. It is a snap-on cap type. Wow, it has a good grip section in this pen. And move on to the tip. It has a fine tip. Okay, let's move to the barrel. Let's unscrew the barrel. Yeah, it's a screw type barrel. And see here, this is the roller ball pen refill. If you can change your refill in any brand also. Okay, we're going to calculate the overall weight and length and lighting sample of the pen. Okay, now we're going to calculate the overall length of this pen. This overall length carries a 136.45 mm. Okay, now let's snap on the cap. Let's calculate the body without cap. Yeah, it's around 119.85 mm. Okay, let's calculate the grip section diameter. Yeah, it's around 8.52 mm. Okay, then move on to the barrel diameter. Yeah, it's around 11.58 mm. Yeah, it's a usual length pen. Okay, now we're going to calculate the overall weight of this pen. Yeah, it's 33 gram. And snap on the cap. The cap carries 11 gram. And unscrew the barrel. And the barrel carries 11 gram. Let's move on to the grip section. It carries 6 gram. And let's calculate the refill. Yeah, it's 3 gram. It's a mid-weight pen. Okay, now we're gonna to check the writing sample of this roller ball pen. You can easily fit the cap on back. Okay, let's go with the sample. First, we're gonna to write a Penhouse. Yeah, it is blue in color. Okay. Then model, it's a roller ball pen. It has a fine tip. Let's move on to the smoothness test. It's very smooth. Let's draw the horizontal and vertical line. And write alphabets. Yeah, it gives a constant flow while I writing. Yeah, it's very nice. It is a mid-weight pen. You can also use by like adult and professionals also can use this. Whether our Penhouse is only reviewing this type of pens and uploading the videos? Not at all. We are retailer and manufacturer. We retailing different kind of pens like Schaefer, Cross, Waterman, etc. And including spares also available here like a cartridge, converter, nibs. You can customize your nibs according to your pen size. And we are manufacturing our own product like a ballpoint pen, roller ball pen, fountain pen, stylus pen and handmade pen. Especially we made a silver filigree pen. You can also customize about your favorite logo and favorite symbol on that. And we are manufacturing like MDF and acrylic also, like clocks, miniatures and gift items under the short period and the affordable price also. If you want to know all the categories of our product and you want to purchase this pen, kindly see to our description. Kindly see to it and enjoy your product. Tada, bye bye.